Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about the different types of the consumers and their tariff. First, we studied about what are the types of consumers. The first one is domestic consumers, second one commercial consumers, third one agricultural consumers, fourth one industrial consumers, fifth one bulk consumers, sixth one street lighting consumers, seventh one water supply consumers. Totally 7 type of consumers. First we studied about the domestic consumers. Domestic consumers is nothing but the residential consumers, that is the residential load. A residential load means lights, fan, radios, TVs, heaters, electric iron, refrigerator, electric water heaters, washing machines, coolers, air conditioner, domestic pump sets. These are considered as a residential load. The domestic consumers use both single phase power supply and 3-phase power supply. Single phase power supply means up to the load is 5 kilowatt only, that is the maximum. The 3-phase power supply means the load is above the 5 kilowatt. The small type of domestic consumers use all the light points, therefore the demand factor is high. High means unity, that is 1. Now you see the load curve of the domestic consumers. This curve is called as a typical chronological load curve. X-axis time in hour, Y-axis load in kilowatt. Now we draw the load curve for summer season and winter season. The dotted line represents the load curve for winter season, and then the solid line represents the load curve for summer season. The x-axis the time 12 am to 12 pm only. So now we draw the load versus time. You see that is the 12 am to that 12 am. You see the load is, that means less only. After 12 am the load increased. Then after 8 pm again the load decreases for both winter and summer season. This is the analysis of typical chronological load curve for domestic consumers. The big type of domestic consumers have the demand factor low. Low means 0.5. During summer, the major part of the domestic load consists of the fan load. Because very hot, that's why we are using the fan load during the day and light. The fan load during evenings and early mornings, and air conditioner load also. This is during summer. During winter, the major load is light load. Because cold only, so that's why the light load only during evenings and early mornings, and some heater load only. Okay. The tariff applicable to the domestic service in the simple tariff, flat rate tariff or black rate tariff. These 3 type of the tariff only is allotted for the domestic consumers. In addition, that means the meter rent, electricity duty are also charged from the domestic consumer. So domestic consumer means residential load only. So the during winter season, summer season, what type of the load is used, and then next what type of the tariff is used for domestic consumer is simple tariff, flat tariff or black rate tariff. The second type of the consumer is commercial consumers. The commercial consumers is nothing but the non-residential loads, that is shops, business, houses, cinema, theatres, hotels, public office, clubs. These are all comes under the commercial consumer load. This load consists of lights, fans, and small electric appliances. The load, commercial load, remains constant from around morning 10 to evening 9 hours. During night, the load consists of some lighting load only. Now you see the typical chronological load curve for the commercial consumers. X-axis in time, that is 0 to 12 pm, and then Y-axis load in curve. Now you see up to 12 am the load should be constant. Again after 12 am the load increases. Again 12 am to 4 pm the load constant. Again the 4 pm to 8 pm again the load gradually increases. After 8 pm the load decreases. Okay, this is the analysis of load curve for the commercial consumers. The demand factor for the commercial consumer is high only. Some commercial consumers given single phase power supply, the load up to 5 kilowatt. Some commercial consumers use 3-phase power supply for the load above 5 kilowatt. What type of the tariff is applicable for commercial consumers? Simple tariff, flat rate tariff, black rate tariff is similar to domestic consumers, but the charges per unit is higher compared to domestic consumers. The meter rent and the electricity duty also charged from the consumers is similar to domestic consumers. Sometimes there is provision for minimum charges in case the energy consumption remains below the certain prescribed limit. Means we give, that means some provisions, that is the minimum charges for the commercial consumers. The third type is the agricultural consumers. The agricultural consumers drawing the power up to 20 kilowatt for the irrigation pumping units. The agriculture consumers use 3-phase power supply. The load of the tube wells used for the irrigation constitute a substantial portion of the system load. The demand factor and diversity factor both are unity only, that is 1. The agricultural consumers are charged at a flat rate tariff only, is applicable for agricultural consumers, because it may be either on the basis of fixed charge per unit consumed or fixed charge per kilowatt or HP of the connected load. Now you see the typical chronological load curve for the agricultural consumer. X-axis 0 to 12 pm, Y-axis load in kilowatt. Now you see the load curve up to, that is the 10 am the load is constant. Then after 10 am then the load comes down 0. Then 10 am to 10 pm the load is 0. Again after 10 pm the load increases and then it should be constant. This is the typical logical load curve for the agricultural consumers or irrigation consumers. The next type of the consumers is industrial consumers. Industrial consumers is classified into small industrial consumers, medium industrial consumers, large industrial consumers according to the rating of the load. Small industrial consumer means the owners of small workshop, example atta chakis, wheat threshers, shaw machines. These are the example of the small industrial consumers. The load for the small industrial consumers not exceeding the 20 kilowatt. The demand factor depends on the nature of the load, but it is usually high, that is around 0.8. The small industrial consumers use three-phase power supply at 415 volt. The black rate tariff is applicable for small industrial consumers. Now you see the typical chronological load curve for the industrial load. X-axis is time in hours, that is 0 to 12 pm. Y-axis load in kilowatt. Now you see then up to 4 am the load is constant. Then after 4 am the load increases. Then up to that 12 it should be constant. Again 12 am, that means reduces the load. Again after 12 am the load increases, and then again gradually decreases up to, that means 12 pm only. This is the analysis of load curve for the industrial load. The industrial consumers load, that means does not exceeding 20 kilowatt but not exceeding 100 kilowatt under the category of medium industrial consumers. Small industrial consumer not exceeding 20 kilowatt, medium industrial consumer the load not exceeding the 100 kilowatt. The medium consumers all use three-phase power supply only, but a two-part tariff is applicable for medium industrial consumers. And then the large industrial consumers, that means above the 100 kilowatt. Above the 100 kilowatt load is considered as a large industrial consumers. The power is 11 kV to 33 kV and then 415 volt 3-phase power supply depending upon the requirement of the consumers. The demand factor around 0.5. The large type of industrial consumers usually charged kilovolt ampere maximum demand draft. So here three types of industrial consumers. One is small, the load is less than 20 kilowatt, that is up to 20 kilowatt. Medium means that is the tariff is block rate tariff. If above 20 kilowatt up to 100 kilowatt, that is the medium industrial consumer, two-part tariff is applicable. And then the large industrial consumers above the 100 kilowatt. Then the fifth type of a consumer is bulk consumers. This is nothing but the power consumer, that is railways, public work departments, educational institutions, military establishments, hospitals. These are the example of bulk consumers. The load not exceeding 100 kilowatt. The bulk consumers use three-phase power supply at 415 volt or 11 kV depending upon their requirements. The bulk consumers are charged at a flat rate. That is, the flat rate tariff is applicable for bulk consumers. The next, street lighting consumers. The power supply for the street light of park, road and streets under the municipal committees, municipal boards or panchayat unions comes under street light consumer category. The supply is 415 volt for 3 phases and 240 volt for single phase power supply. The demand factor for street lighting consumers and the diversity factor for street lighting consumers both are unity, that is demand factor and the diversity factor for street lighting load is unity. Now you see the typical chronological load curve for street lighting. X-axis is 0 to 12 pm, y-axis load in curve. We can draw the summer season and winter season. Load curve is drawn for summer and winter season. Dotted line for summer season load curve. Solid line for winter season load curve. Now you see, we can consider the summer season that up to that is the 6 a.m. the load summer season constant, the winter also constant up to 6 a.m. In the 5 a.m. the summer is 0, then 6 a.m. winter is 0 load, again 0 load up to the summer is up to that is 6 p.m. only, but the winter up to 5 p.m. the load is 0. After 5 p.m. the winter load increases and then the summer load also increases. After 8 p.m. that means that is after 6 p.m. the summer load is constant. After 5 p.m. the winter load is constant. The switching on the light and their switching off of street lighting synchronized with dusk and dawn respectively. The separated distributors are run for street lighting to enable their switching simultaneously. Then the tariff charged for street lighting is nothing but it recovers cost of the energy consumed as well as the cost of the replacement of the lamps. Water supply consumers. The water supply load is used for pumping water to the overhead tank. Generally, the water supply is to fit this load during the system of peak hours, during night hours only water supply. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understood the concept of different types of the consumers and then what are the types of load utilized by the different types of consumers and then what are the types of tariff is applicable for different types of the consumer and then load curve for each type of the consumer. Under this topic, how the question will come in VTU University examination, the maximum mark is 8 marks, minimum mark is 6 marks. Explain the different types of the consumers and their tariff. Thank you student for watching this video.